Tonight here with the breaking news, the bombshell moment just a short time ago at the Alec Baldwin trial, the case dismissed. The involuntary manslaughter case against Baldwin dismissed with prejudice, meaning the case is permanently dropped now. The moment the judge announcing the dismissal just a short time ago, you could see Baldwin, his hand to his face there, struggling to hold back tears. He then hugged his attorneys in that courtroom. He then hugged his wife behind him in the courtroom during all of this. It was a stunning turn, nearly 3 years after the fatal shooting on the set of the movie Rust. This dramatic move came after the defense had accused prosecutors of withholding key evidence. ABC's Mola Lenghi is live at the courthouse in Santa Fe with these late developments. Mola?
Well, that's right, David. This happening just moments ago. Real-life drama playing out in the trial of actor Alec Baldwin. After hours of tense testimony, the judge dismissing this case with prejudice.
Tonight, a stunning and dramatic end in the trial for Alec Baldwin, charged with involuntary manslaughter for the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set of the film Rust. Judge Mary Marlowe Summer dismissing the trial with prejudice.
Your motion to dismiss with prejudice is granted.
Baldwin breaking down and sobbing in court after the judge's ruling. The shocking decision coming after a contentious day in court as Baldwin's attorneys asked the judge to throw out his involuntary manslaughter case, accusing prosecutors of failing to turn over key evidence, bullets that they say may have connected the film's ammunition supplier, as well as live rounds found on the Rust movie set.
They buried it. They put it under a different case with a different number.
During a pretrial hearing this morning, the defense claiming Santa Fe County investigators were given ammunition back in March by a retired police officer who alleged the ammunition matched a batch of bullets from the Rust movie set and may have been connected to the bullet that killed cinematographer Halyna Hutchins.
This is critical evidence in the case that was never disclosed to us. It's time for this case to be dismissed, Your Honor.
But the prosecution pushing back today, arguing those rounds did not match the bullets on the set and that the defense was in fact aware of them.
So this is a wild goose chase. This has no evidentiary value whatsoever.
Prosecutors also alleging that the retired police officer who turned in those bullets, Troy Teskey, is a family friend of convicted armorer Hannah Gutierrez and likely has ulterior motives. And tonight, the judge having this tense exchange with the lead investigator about if the prosecutor was involved in that decision not to enter the ammo into evidence.
When you say that there were discussions and the decision was made by all of you to put that ammo in a separate file, right? Is that correct? You said that?
Yes, ma'am.
Was Ms. Morrissey part of that discussion?
Yes.
Thank you.
In a dramatic twist, that prosecutor then taking the stand as her own witness.
I was not aware at that point in time that a doc report would not have the same case number as Rust. I was not aware at that point in time that it would not be linked to the Rust case number.
Well, David, we just spoke with the prosecutor right here outside the courthouse who stands by the case that she presented, the case that she argued. As you mentioned, that with prejudice ruling, meaning the state cannot refile these charges against Alec Baldwin. So after nearly 3 years and, of course, a deadly tragedy, Alec Baldwin finally free from this legal ordeal, David.
Just an extraordinary turn there late today. Mola Lenghi, who was there at the courtroom for us. Mola, thank you.